Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off noise cancelling on your EarFun Free Pro 2nd generation. So to do this, you have to grab the left earbud, and so the marking you can find just right here. As you can see right here, you can find the L. It means that it's the left earbud. And what we have to do, just simply click and hold for 2 seconds. And you will hear in your left earbud this notification that the noise cancellation is turned on. So let me just put it close to my ear. Okay, right now I just turn on the normal mode, so one more time. And right now the noise cancelling is enabled. So what you have to do, just click and hold and wait for the voice notification. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.